we are currently today at Bestech Grand Spa. Bestech Spa sector 47, and we are seeing the view of the penthouse at the 19th floor. So we are taking an entry. It's a big and a spacious penthouse of area 6600 square feet. So we are entering on the ground floor level. So this is the servant quarter at the entrance. So at the entry we have the servant quarter. So this is the main entrance of the project. You can see the quality of the door. It's a total hardwood door with a spy view seeing product and a very strong handle. So this is again the store room which is there. And now we are entering in the living and the dining area. This is the view for the living and the dining area. This is the first bedroom on the ground floor. It's very spacious. It's a huge. So you are getting the AC inside this. You are getting the wooden flooring. Wardrobe space would be there. So wardrobe work you have to take care. So we are entering the washroom. So this is the washroom area with the shower area. The most beautiful part is the balcony. Is the people who want a bigger balcony and a running balcony. So this is one of the product at the center Gurgaon, which you can have a look upon. You can see the width and length of the balcony, and you enjoy the entire green view of the project, which is uninterrupted. So we are at sector 47 Bestech. This is the first bedroom. Now we are entering the second bedroom. Bestech Spa sector 47. Again, the people which looking the connectivity to the center Gurgaon. So this is, I am standing at the center area. This is the overall. This is another bedroom. This is a huge spacious living and dining area, and this is the another balcony which is connected with the first bedroom, which I show to you. See the kitchen. This is the big and a huge size kitchen. So it is very spacious. You get upper cabinet, lower cabinet, everything inside the kitchen. Fire extinguisher is also there. And a huge and a wide spacious balcony. It's also wide. I can show you the view. It's totally the green view which you enjoy till the end from this balcony. This is the entire green view which you saw it from here. Another is the servant room. So this is the gas meter, gas pipeline. This is the servant quarter, which is again of a big and a spacious size with attached washroom. Yeah, now we are. This is the tap for the washing machine and the water point. AC you will get Daikin in the entire penthouse. So we are going again to the master bedroom. So this is the entry for the master bedroom. They had given the foyer so that the privacy of the room will remain maintained. And this is a huge master bedroom. Very spacious wooden flooring you will get, AC you will get, washroom is also fully loaded with the high-end fittings of the Sarah, and it is a ready to move in penthouse, so you can shift it. The best part which I like in this penthouse is the ventilation. So there is proper sunlight, there is proper ventilation inside the apartment. It is a balcony on the 19th floor, which you enjoy the view, and I show you what view you enjoy from this balcony. So this is again the green and the uninterrupted view, the pool area, which you enjoy from this balcony, and the entire Gurgaon. So today there is a little fog, so the view is not clear for a greater distance, but we are currently standing at sector 47 and everything is just nearby. The Golf Course Road, the Extension Road, the Sona Road, Huda City Center, Metro Station, Medanta Hospital, schools, all are just 5-minute drive from here. So this now we are going to the first floor. So there's a very huge and wide staircases with marble, Italian marble. You can call it a chroma coffin marble, which is of very high quality. Now we are entering on the first floor. So this is the lounge area on the first floor, attached with open balcony. And the another bedroom. What I like in the Bestech project is the room sizes and construction. You cannot beat the layouts of the Bestech products. It's a huge and spacious bedroom with a separate wardrobe area. So this is a washroom also, which you have it here, with a cubicle with all the fittings and fixtures, and it is again connected with the balcony. It's also connected with a balcony of a huge size, and again the same green and uninterrupted view which you enjoyed from here. Totally clean green view. So being at the center of city, you are closest to everything, closest to every nearby hotels, hospitals, schools, metro, rapid metro and all. This is another second bedroom. See the room sizes. It's very decent, very big and large room sizes. The separate wardrobe area, you get an AC, you get a fire sprinkler. This is the space for the wardrobes. So it's a huge space for the wardrobe, connected with another servant quarter on the first floor. And the washroom area, which you have all the high-end fittings of the Sfera, and you will get a cubicle shower also on this third another bedroom of first floor. Now we are going to show you what the another master bedroom. This is a small pantry area which they have thoughtfully designed on the first floor, which you have the kitchen area. So if you are on the first floor for making anything, you need not require to go on the ground floor with a well ventilated balcony. So the kitchen is slightly lightly and well connected. Now we are entering the master bedroom. Bestech always gives the family lounge along with the master bedroom. So we are entering in the family lounge. See, it is the family lounge. It is the big and the huge family lounge, and along with the balcony. And now we are entering with the bedroom, master bedroom, connected with this family lounge. So it has just the wall in between. If you want to remove this wall to make your bedroom more bigger, then also you can do that. This is the master bedroom, with attached with your washroom area. So this is the washroom with your master bedroom, with a bathtub, cubicle shower. There are two wash basins for he and she, the proper ventilated lights, and yeah, it is well connected with your master bedroom. So this again the huge balcony connected with your master bedroom and your family lounge. So this is again your personal view which you enjoy. View is again the beautiful. It's totally the green view which you enjoy from the balcony of the first floor of your master bedroom and the family lounge. Now we are going to see the terrace area. The terrace area is also very beautiful and thoughtfully designed. So I show you the terrace area also for this unit. You can call it a sky villa or the penthouses. Basically Gurgaon, the top floor or the 2-level or 3-level are the sky villas or the penthouses in any of the luxury or the super luxury product. Yeah. So we are at now the third level, means 19, 20 and 21st floor we are currently. We're having a huge terrace area. It's a huge terrace. It's a big terrace which you can design according to your taste by putting the gazebos, by putting a lot of planters, and another thing, it's a very spacious area. And I'll show you the view of the city also from this area. This is the view, the entire view. You can see it from the terrace. So the total area for this unit is approximately 6600 square feet. It has been delivered more than 6 years ago, and it is the only penthouse which is left in this project. So if you want to have especially the project in the center Gurgaon, you can connect with my shop deal team. This penthouse tentatively cost approximately 7.5 CR and it is ready for possession. So within 60 days, the Bestech team will finish this penthouse and hand over it to you. If you like this penthouse, so you can contact my shop deal team. We are there to guide you that which products matches your requirements the most, and you decide it accordingly. So thank you so much, friends. We'll meet you in the very next video. This side Ankit Malik signing off. Take care, stay safe, bye.